Solve how to fix League of Legends lag issue on Windows. Fix 1. Modify your game settings. 1.1 Enable low spec mode and close client during game. Path, LOL client settings client/general. 1.2. Video tab, select 1280x720 for resolution. 1.3 Enable colorblind mode and hide eye candy. 1.4 Graphics, choose a quality level. Or choose low or very low if your PC is not that enough. 1.5 Enable. Character linking. Fix 2, change DNS server. Fix 3, update. Device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Fix 4, stop unnecessary processes via WTM. Fix 5, delete temporary/junk files. Fix 6, adjust your Windows settings by enabling adjust for best performance. Fix 7, swap Wi-Fi to an Ethernet connection.